Hi students, welcome to GK class. See, women's history is the study of the role that women have played in history and the methods required to do so. It includes the study of the history of the growth of women's rights throughout recorded history, personal achievements over a period of time, the examination of individual and group of women of historical significance, and the effect that historical events have had on women. Inherent in the study of women's history is the belief that more traditional recordings of history have minimized or ignored the contributions of women to different fields and the effect that historical events had on women as a whole in this respect. Women's history is often a form of historical revisionism seeking to change or expand the traditional historical consensus. I hope all of you understood which topic we are going to discuss. Yes, that's the topic. First Indian women to achieve. So now I will ask some questions. Okay. So now I give 15 questions. Try to give the answer. Okay. Yes. So, first Indian woman to reach Antarctica. Anybody knows? Yes, Meher Moose. She first reached Antarctica. The second question: who's the first woman DGP? Kanchan Chowdhury Bhattacharya. The third question: first woman judge of Delhi High Court and first woman to be a Chief Justice of State. Which is the answer? Leila Singh. And the fourth question, first woman to receive Ashok Chakra, Nirja Banu. And the fifth question, the first Indian to win Miss Universe. I hope all of you know this answer. Yes, Susmita Sen. Yes, that's right. And the next question, the first female combat officer commissioned by the BSF. Anybody know the answer? Yes, Tanushree Parikh. And the seventh question, the first woman CM of an Indian state. Yes, who's Sucheta Kripalani. And the eighth question, the first Indian female physician. Anandipal Gopal Rao Joshi. The ninth question, the first woman to be inducted into the Indian Navy as a pilot. Who's Shubhangi Swaroop. And the 10th question, that's most important, see, the first woman honor graduate in India. First woman honor graduate in India. Who? Kamini Roy. The 11th question, the first woman governor of an Indian state. Who's that? Sarojini Naidu. Yes, that's right. And the 12th question, the first woman deputy commissioner of the Rajya Sabha. Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, who's Margaret Alva. The 13th question, the first woman election commissioner of India. Answer, V.S. Ramdevi. And the next 14th question, the first woman secretary general of the Lok Sabha. Who's The answer is Snehalata Srivastava. And the final question, that means the last question, the first woman cabinet minister of India. I hope all of you know this answer. Yes, that's right. Rajkumari Amit Kaur. So now we are going to concluding this topic. Women can be powerful actors of peace, security, and prosperity. When they participate in peace processes and other formal decision making processes, they can play an important role in initiating and inspiring progress on human rights, justice, national reconciliation, and economic revitalization. I hope all of you under this topic. So just learn this chapter. First Indian women to achieve. Okay, thank you.